Hello everyone. So in previous video we saw that how can we count the number of vowels that are present in a string. In earlier videos I have taught you that what are the different kinds of commonly method present inside the string, what are its uses and how can we use them when we need to perform any specific kind of operation. In this video, we will be looking into a question where we will be calculating the number of consonants that are present inside a string. For this, I will directly go to BlueJ and show you that how can we create a program and see the output by entering the value in the console. So for this, I will create one class named consonants. So in this program, I will teach you that how we can make use of buffered reader class if we want to take input of string from user. We know that buffered reader class is a part of java.io package. So I will call java.io and all the classes that are present inside that package. So asterisk is the symbol using which we can call all the classes that are present inside IO package. Next, I will create class name consonants. Again, creating string variable str, character variable for extracting each and every character ch, and one loop variable I. Next, we have to calculate the consonants that are present inside the string. So I will create calculate method. Then we have to create buffered reader class variable object, and this is the syntax using which we can create object of buffered reader class. In most of the textbooks, this part is initialized earlier and the object of this class is then passed as the argument of buffered reader class. But generally I make use of this statement the whole at once. Both the ways of creating buffered reader object is same. There is no difference. We will get same kind of output. Now we have to take input of string from user. So str equals to br dot read line. So this will take input of string. Now we will create loop which will start from 0 and it will go till the last character that is present inside the string. So I less than str dot length. Now we will keep on extracting the character that is present at every index that we have made loop for. So str dot character at I index. Now we have to count the number of consonants that are present. So in spite of giving conditions for each and every consonants, you can imagine that consonants in our English library is 21. So we cannot create a condition in which we write all these 21 consonants together, including uppercase and lowercase, which becomes 42. That is practically little bit not possible. So for that, first of all, I will check whether the character that I have extracted is later. So character dot is later. If this is true, if my character is later, then again this can be solved in two ways. Either we take all the vowels in if and take else, in which we will count the consonants. The second method is, in if statement only, we will try to eliminate all the vowels that are present in English language. So I will show you both the methods. First I will show you that we will eliminate all the vowels in if statement only. So for that we will make use ch equal to ch is not equal to capital A and ch is simultaneously should also be not equal to E, and I will make this in lower cases. If this is my condition, then simply I will increment the value of count, and this is having exactly the number of consonants that are present inside the string. I will now simply print the number of consonants that are there. I will then create a main method that will create object of our class, and then I will call my calculate method. Now you are saying that this statement is giving some kind of error. So whenever we are making use of buffer reader class, there is one kind of IO exception that is happening. So in order to avoid or remove IO exception, we have to write one statement over here, that is throws IO exception. Once we write that statement, the error is gone. Now this is the method which is making use of buffer reader class, and to handle that we have written throws IO exception statement over here. Now this calculate method is called by main method. So this will also throw one IO exception. So in order to remove this error, we have to again make use of throws IO exception for this main statement also. So now our program is error free. If we compile and see the output, I will now enter simply computer word, and this will give us the number of consonants are 5. If I enter more than one words like computer is a machine, then it should not calculate this space. If we press enter, then we are getting the number of consonants are 10. So C, M, P, T, R, S, M, C, H, N. So these are our 10 consonants that are present inside our string. Now I will show you second method using which we can calculate this in else part. So for that I will simply find what are the vowels present inside our string. I will simply perform that operation which I performed in previous video, where I explained that how can we count the number of vowels that are present inside the string. So if our characters are vowel, we will simply keep on continuing with our loop. If it is not vowel, then I will actually count the value of my characters. If we compile and see, I will enter computer again. You can see that we are getting number of consonants as 5. If I enter multiple words like computer is a machine, whose example we saw earlier, then this will give us the number of consonants as 10. So both the ways we are getting the same answer. So both the ways are correct. You just have to make use of some logical statements. Now, what if we enter the values as numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 3, 5, 4? If I enter this, then the program should give us the value as 0. And you can see that number of consonants that are there in string is giving value as 0. This simply means the program that we have created is correct. So this statement in which we have make use of isLater method is really very important, because using this method only we are eliminating all the other characters that can be present inside the string except for our English alphabets. So this statement is really very important. So please remember this. Now if you have any other questions related to this program, then you can ask your query in comment section. And if you have any other questions related to this topic or earlier chapters, then you can send your questions on my mail ID. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.